Hello everyone, my name is Arniawati Wau. I am student of SMA Negeri 1 Teluk Dalam. My classroom is 11 Blusa. Nah, di sini saya memiliki tugas dari Bapak Bulele, yaitu mempraktekkan membaca buku halaman 120 sampai 124. Have you received the COVID-19 vaccine? Or have you been vaccinated? Or maybe even thought it's your turn? You are still not sure about the vaccination? You don't need to worry at all about COVID-19 vaccination because, besides being safe, the COVID-19 vaccine can also provide many benefits for you. Here are five benefits of COVID-19 vaccination that you need to know. First, vaccine can prevent COVID-19 from infecting your body. We are actually already familiar with vaccinations. Since childhood, we have had vaccination and immunizations for various diseases. Vaccines are currently available to protect against at least 20 diseases, such as diphtheria, tetanus, pertussis, influenza, and measles. According to WHO, the presence of accepting vaccines is estimated to have prevented 2 to 3 million deaths each year. COVID-19 vaccination can protect you by creating antibodies or the immune system in the body to fight the SARS-CoV-2 virus which causes the COVID-19 disease. With these antibodies, your body will be trained to prevent and fight COVID-19 infection. Vaccination is not a drug that completely cures COVID-19. However, according to experts, even if you get COVID-19 after vaccination, the vaccine will prevent your body from infection and the system of COVID-19 because your body now has a stronger body defense system. Second, vaccine can help you protect those around you. When you are the vaccinated, you protect not only yourself, but also your family and the people around you. This is because not everyone can receive to COVID-19 vaccine. Currently, vaccines are only given to those who are healthy, do not have any serious disease, are over 18 years of age, and other requirements. Those who cannot be vaccinated really on you who can be vaccinated to reduce the spread of COVID-19. The more people get vaccinated, the less likely infected people post disease. Third, vaccination can protect and help healthy workers. Did you know that the COVID-19 pandemic makes many hospitals burned because of limited facilities and resources? It is not surprising that many hospitals reached their capacity to admit COVID-19 and non-COVID-19 patients. Health workers who care for COVID-19 patients must endure wearing personal protective equipment or PPE for an extended period to protect them from COVID-19. With the advent of vaccine and more people getting vaccine, the infected people and their transmission rate will curtail the crisis. This reduces the burden on healthy workers and healthy facilities. Healthy workers and dedicate their effort, funds, and equipment to helping patients with severe symptoms or other disease and preventing the building up of patients in the hospital. Fourth, with vaccination, a pandemic can end soon. You definitely want the pandemic to end soon, right? So now it is time. If you get vaccinated and more people get vaccinated against COVID-19, there will be a great self-difference for so many people. This will encourage the formation of herd immunity in which reside in certain areas are immune to a disease. Herd immunity will break the chain of the COVID-19 pandemic as more people get vaccinated. Of course, to stop a pandemic, all resources must be mobilized as we as possible, possible, receiving vaccinations and maintaining self-care by wearing a mask. Keeping your distance and washing your hand will optimize the likelihood that this pandemic will end soon. 5. Vaccination can protect future generations by decreasing the rate of COVID-19 infection and breaking the chain of the COVID-19 pandemic. You can protect future generations from the long suffering of being infected with the disease. This has been proven from historical record that have taken place in the past. There were many diseases caused by digital viruses. Now we of the past generations, so this is the time for us to become the generations that save future generation from this dangerous COVID-19 disease and makes the next generation even healthy. Are you one of the savers? The five benefits above are some of many benefits of getting vaccine. There are indeed many other benefits of the getting vaccine. Demikianlah pembacaan buku saya. Terima kasih.